the Muzen OTR metal. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we will look at a portable Bluetooth speaker with an FM radio, the Muzen OTR metal. I will go over specs, features, provide audio samples, then give my thoughts. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you're new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. The speaker comes with a plastic storage case, and inside you'll find the warranty card, user guide, and some stickers. You also have the micro USB charging cable and auxiliary cable. And it comes with the FM antenna for the radio. The speaker features 10 hours of playtime on Bluetooth and 20 hours with the FM radio. It uses Bluetooth 4.0, 40mm speakers, and 5-watt output. 1000 milliamp hour battery. It has Bluetooth, FM radio, and auxiliary functionality. Micro USB for charging, and has a solid metal finish. It also comes in a total of 5 color options. The speaker is very small and compact with a vintage design. It feels very solid and has some good weight to it, and has a metal housing all around. This is the green version, and the finish of the paint is smooth and glossy. On the bottom, it has the rubber pads to prevent it from moving around when seated on a surface. On the front of the speaker, you have the speaker grill, LED, volume knob, FM tuner knob, power, Bluetooth, auxiliary, and FM knob. The back, you have the power LED along with a charging port, an auxiliary port, and the FM antenna input. The knobs feel tight and they click into place when changing the different settings. The LED will also change colors depending on the setting you are on. The antenna for the radio is easy to use. Just plug it in on the back and adjust until you get a signal. And this is how the FM radio sounds. Turning the knob is smooth when finding stations.
Y este año podré
6.
When they hit it like dope, got a bro. So that they will be.
The speaker comes in at 3.4 by 1.9 by 2.3 inches. It weighs in at 438 grams. And now for some audio samples.
You only call me on the weekends when you're out and about, only chasing highs. You need me. He brings me flowers on a Tuesday. He gives me good loving, something that I never thought existed. I know what I need, ain't gonna lie. I know what I want, speaking my mind now. A queen needs a king to be by her side.
Here are my thoughts on this speaker. I was initially surprised by the overall size when I was unboxing it. It definitely is small and compact. The build quality is solid and it just feels like a premium speaker. I like the vintage design and it definitely is different from many of the speakers out there. Now when it comes to sound, I didn't know what to expect, but I was pleasantly surprised. The bass does have its presence, but it's not the heavy deep bass. I think this excels in the mids and highs. It has good clarity and separation with vocals and instruments. I feel it's well balanced. Volume levels do get high and it doesn't break up. The FM radio worked well and I had no problems picking up local stations when the antenna was attached. Overall, I feel this is a nice speaker if you are looking for a vintage design. It's very portable and the sounds deliver. So that is my review of the Muzen OTR Metal Bluetooth speaker. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.